Racing just started with Madam Butterfly. Break quickly to start. Bring up down on the inside is the Princess Nicole. Tiptoes count me in. Colby Boy. One Direction Casablanca. Safeguard Color Be Good. Comes next. The next online is Nandito. Ako, who's the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch with Princess Nicole on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3/4 of a length lead. Madam Butterfly in second, Tiptoes Count Me in One Direction comes next. Safeguard in between horses is a Casablanca. Cole B-Boy comes next. Lucky Be Good, while Nandito Ako is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo with Princess Nicole is still acting as a pilot, enjoying a length lead. Madam Butterfly in second, Count Me in. Casablanca then moving up is a One Direction. Safeguard likewise arriving at the scene. Tiptoes, Colby Boy. The next online now is Lucky Be Good, while Nandito Ako is still racing in last as they swing for home. Princess Nicole followed now by Casablanca now on the outside. Last 100 meters, Princess Nicole. Casablanca is on the outside. Princess Nicole. Casablanca is on the outside. And finally it's Casablanca. Princess Nicole. Then comes Count Me In, Madam Butterfly.
Yes, it's an upset coming from Casablanca, ridden by Jigger Paano. Then segundo yung number 3 Princess Nicole. Tercera yung 8 Count Me In. Then pang-apat yung number 5 Madam